In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Zoom. Whether you found an alternative platform or simply no longer need your Zoom account, this step-by-step guide will help you through the process of canceling your Zoom account efficiently. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Zoom website at zoom.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to move to the next step. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu, which can be found in the drop-down list that appears after clicking your profile icon. Once clicked, the Settings menu will open up where you can easily access various options related to your account. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the Admin section. Click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage all sorts of administrative functions linked to your account. Moving forward, the next step is to locate and click on the Account Management option. This is a critical step as it leads you closer to canceling your account. Account Management is essentially the hub for overseeing your account details and settings. Afterwards, click on Account Profile found under the Account Management tab. Here you'll find a detailed overview of your account, which includes the crucial option for account termination. Now, this is where the option to terminate your account comes into play. Look for the Terminate My Account button. Click on it with the understanding that proceeding beyond this point will initiate your account's deletion process. Before you proceed, you will be required to verify your identity. The system will prompt you to click on Send Code, which will dispatch a verification code to your email linked with Zoom. This step ensures that the person trying to delete the account is indeed you. Once you receive the code, type it into the space provided on the Zoom page. Be sure the code is correct to avoid any problems in the verification process. Finally, after entering the verification code, you'll come across the Delete option. Clicking on Delete is the last step in this process. Confirming this action means you've successfully initiated the permanent deletion of your account. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete your Zoom account step by step. Remember, once deleted, your account and any associated data cannot be recovered, so ensure this is the action you want to take before completing these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.